Hey tech nerds! In today's video I'm going to show you how to check your PC or laptop specifications on Windows. By following these steps you can see what kind of processor you are using, what kind of graphics card you have, and how much RAM is in your system, and much more. The very first step to check the specs is to go to the Windows search bar, type system information, then click it. A window will pop up with a lot of specifications and information about your PC or laptop. Here we can see the model, system manufacturer type, and a lot more. We can expand all of this info on the left-hand side like the hardware resources here. We have the components under here. We can go to the display information and we can see what king of graphics card we have installed on your device. We can also expand storage on the left side and we can see all of your drives. We can see the file size in the free space of all individual drives on the device. Now the second way is press Windows plus R and type cmd. When the command prompt opens, you want to type systeminfo.exe and press enter. Now we will be able to see information about our Windows 10 computer, like the total physical memory available, physical memory, and so on. The third method is to go to the search bar again, type this PC, find properties, then click it. Here you will be able to see your Windows version, RAM, processor, and many more as you're seeing. The fourth way to check your PC spec is to click Ctrl-Alt and Delete simultaneously. In the CPU section you can see your processor name, base speed, cores, usage, and many more. The GPU 1 means your graphics card and GPU 0 means your processor graphics card. My GPU 1 is a NVIDIA 730. What's yours? In the memory section you will see your total RAM, DAR type, Hertz, and total RAM stalls used. In the disk you will see your primary drivers. I have one SSD and hard drive, that's why it's showing me disk 0 and 1. There are many more sections like your internet connection, you can check those also. Now, bonus tip, press the Windows button, then click Settings, then Find About and hit Enter. You will get your PC spec. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment and hack that like button. Please subscribe for more amazing tutorial like this.